pelicans. Well, the pelicans are here. The weed is back too, which makes it very difficult fishing. But we'll give it a go. First cast. This weed is a real killer today. Let's see if we can hook into something. I'm thinking I might have to go weedless here today. This ain't gonna work. Oh, look at them go. There's got to be a fish over there. Oh, there. Oh, almost had it. Oh, we might get into some supper fish here. I might have some success here this morning, I think. Come on. There it is again. Oh, it's just little guys so far. And into the weed. Gotta be something bigger out there. Got a big tarpon. Whoa, look at this guy. Whoa, this is a big one. I've got to keep this line down if he jumps. This is a big tarpon. Woohoo! He's gonna go. There he goes. Whoa! He's well hooked so far. Don't you even dare spool me. I've got so much weed on this line now, probably. Whoa, this is a nice fish. Slam that. I'm gonna get wet. Woo. Oh, he's off. Oh, wow, that was cool. He just snapped my line. Where did it break? At my knot. Oh, that was a nice tarpon. Wow. Darn it. I think if I can get it in through this weed. Yeah, a nice little supper fish. Awesome. Going weedless paid dividends. Yellow-tailed snapper, some kind of snapper, but it'll do. And supper's done. I'm still smarting a bit over that tarpon because he was well hooked, man. There's just so much weed on the line. What can you do? Sooner had it hit the water. This is only little though. A supper fish, methinks. Yeah, a nice little jack. That'll do. There we go, nice blue runner. Okay. Oh, it took off? Cool.
Maybe it was a baby one that we saw.
Yeah, maybe.
A few years ago.
You got bigger. Look at that. You caught more fish than me this week, this holiday. Look at that. A little snapper. Fantastic, buddy. Lobster on the barbecue as well. There's one under there as well, I think. Is there?
Yeah,
yes, there is.
There could be two.
See the tentacle coming up here? Great big guy. No, I've tried, but when they jerk back, those tentacles are pretty spiny and they snap off too. There is two. We need to go and get that net thing we found.
Yeah, there you go. Looks like
Thanks.
5-second fix there.
Oh, there's the dock. I was thinking it was over there. Whatever that long thing is.
Oh, the pelican's diving in tarpon corner. I've named all these places things, but hopefully they live up to their name.
Well, you know what? We are fishermen enough to know you don't always catch
that
it.
little
You betcha.
doodah.
Catch it every or catch something every day. It's always fun trying.
This is beautiful. I just like being out here.
Mm-hmm.
You'd probably have to reel fairly fast because it's very shallow, and once you hit the bottom, you're in the weed. See if I can get on top of them here. Oh, there they are. Look at it. Look at all the bait fish in there. Oh my God. Oh, this is a snook actually. Holy man, look at the size of this snook. Oh, please stay on. Please stay on. Holy. This is a big one. Look at the size of this guy. I'm just going to try and get a bit. Get a picture with this guy. The tail on this thing. Oh. Isn't that fantastic? Wow. Oh, he's going. Come on, buddy. Wow. he's not done quite yet. That's a beautiful fish. My pliers are somewhere in the miasma that is this jacket. Isn't this fun? Look at all this sprat moving along here. Absolutely full of it. These guys were today, holy man. Oh, there's a supper fish. That's a nice blue runner.
Man's not gonna be spunked after all.
I saw it though. I did see it. I did see it. Got the tarpon. Is this a tarpon? It's fooling me. Oh, it's gonna spool me. It completely spooled me. Game over. Oh my god. Well, that was a short fishing session. Very rough part.
It's gonna be this.
You having fun? Good.
Oh, pelican just died.
Yeah, I'm watching them. They must have such good eyesight
Yeah,
to see through the water and then
spot a fish.
spot a fish from that high up.
Or maybe they just guess.
Yeah, maybe they just see it where there's the most and then just dive with their mouth open.
Yeah.
Well, my GoPro out as I hooked this, but I finally managed to land one in my cove. Nice four-side jack. Let's get you off, buddy. Beautiful. there's gonna be a fish here, man. Whoa! Something went for that. In the moonlight. Gotcha, gotcha, gotcha. Come on, buddy. Come on in. Oh, this is so cool. Pelicans diving, full moon. Oh, come on, let me see you. Out of the weed and out of the rocks. Not gonna be easy. There he is, nice Jack. There's your supper. Nice Jack. Come on, in you come. In you come with the waves, bud. There you go. Come on. Beautiful horse-eye Jack. In the moonlight. Doesn't get much better than that. There's a big one out there. He just snapped me off a second ago and he's just flew at this bait. I'm probably going to get spooled. There's my last. But that's a big fish. And he's patrolling out there. I've got bait jumping just at the edge of this weed. Nervous water, as my buddy calls it. Gotcha! Oh, this is a big fish. You are not spooling me this morning, my friend. I don't know what this is. But it's big and he's not happy. Come on, you can do this. Try and get some line back. Yeah, he's just cruising. Try and get some line back. Oh, this is big. Oh man, come on. Hold on. Oh. Trying to keep out of this weed too. Oh, he's getting tired. Get out of those rocks. weed. This should be interesting. What the hell are you? It's not a tarpon, because this would have been so airborne. Oh, he's in the rock. No, he's not. Oh, we gotta see this. Really get this bugger out of the rocks, man. What are you? How am I gonna see you? I've got a ton of weed on here. Oh, look at the size of this jack. Oh my God. Come on, up you come. Woohoo! Wow. Well, that's what you call a fish. Come on, buddy. Let's get you back. Awesome! I used to use when I was a kid, when we used to come to the Caribbean. I just spied some bait fish right tight to the close to the rock here. So I've got a little sinker on the bottom, and I've tied what, 4 small treble hooks. And the trick is to drop it in the middle of them, let them spread, and then whip it up, and you usually hook 1 or 2. Oh yeah, there's lots of them down there. You drop it down, let them spread around it. Whoa! Oh, didn't get one that cast. Let's try that again. They kind of scatter when it first goes in, but if you give it a second, they come back around. Oh, they're right up close here. Get rid of the miasma of weed. If I had a cast net, I would kill it here. Let's see if I can get 1 or 2. There we go. Got one. And now I've got a live bait rod set up. I'm going to quickly get him on the bobber, hook through the tail with a circle hook, and see if anything snatches at it. There you go, little sprat. Oh, I hurt him pretty good though, unfortunately. There we go, buddy. Go and swim. There you go, catch your own live bait. I'll let that guy go for a little swim. There, I just seen him. Come on, buddy. Have another swipe. Right on the edge of that weed, just over there. Right on the edge of that weed again. And now I'm bringing it through 10 ton of weed. Oh, it's another big jack. I might need a wave. He's definitely not as big. Unless it's the same one that was just tired. Oh, he's just a little guy. There we go. Nice four-side jack. Let's get you off, buddy. Go on, swim free. Don't want to get tangled up in the line. I know. I'm trying to help you. If you'll let me. Go on. Ugh. Look at this miasma. Goodbye, Cove. See you next year. Awesome as usual. Mwah.